we are taking up exercise 12.1. Here it is mentioned, unless stated otherwise, use pi equals 22 upon 7. Okay? Otherwise, what is the value? 3.14. Now, as we take up 1 month sum, we will keep revising and recapping the formulae. So that I would have given you all the formulae together, but it won't work. Okay? Let's take the first one. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Read it again for you to understand. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two smaller circles. देखते हैं क्या कहा है. अगर we have two circles, they are given you the radius is given, and the radius given is 19 and 9. So let's say this is 9 centimeter, this is 19 centimeter. Now they are asking you to find the radius of another circle whose circumference will be equal to the sum of these two circumference. माने अगर ये दोनों circumference को हम add करेंगे, it will give you the bigger circumference, और ये जो नया circumference है वो सर्कल का रेडियस फाइंड आउट करो. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं. यहाँ पे R1 was 9 सेंटीमीटर, आपको circumference 1 फाइंड आउट करना है. दिस इज जस्ट अ समरी. यस, यहाँ पे आपको R2 दिया है, सर्कल 2, जहाँ पे 19 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस है. आपको circumference 2 फाइंड आउट करना है. ये दोनों को ऐड करके आपको circumference 3 आएगा. देखते हैं कितना. And from this circumference you have to find out the radius. ठीक है, यहाँ पे C3 क्या होगा? C1 plus C2. तो जो भी आपको यहाँ पे C1 और C2 circumference आएगा वो आपका C3 circumference बनेगा, और वो वाले सर्कल का रेडियस फाइंड आउट करो. So we'll take step by step. So here we say, we could even write C1, C2. C1 is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 9. Okay, let's take a look. C1 is 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 9. That gives you 396 upon 7, correct? Same way C2 will be 836 upon 7. जब हम ऐड करते हैं 396 plus 836, you get 1232. अब देखते हैं इसका वैल्यू कितना है. 7 1s are 7, 5, 7 7s are 49, 4 and 7 6s are 42. So we get C3 as 176. अब क्या करते हैं? We are going to find out the R3. So we say 176, 2 into 22 upon 7 into R3. R3 को एक साइड रखिए. ट्रांसफर 176 into 7 upon 2 into 22. I'll show you what I have done. Keep R3 here, transfer all of it here. तो 7 is in the denominator, ये ऊपर आएगा. 2 into 22 was a numerator, नीचे आएगा. तो keeping that in mind, this will be 8 times, 2 1s are 2 4 times, and therefore R3 is 4 7s are 28 centimeter. Are we getting this clearly? Now when you read the sum, you will understand better. What have they said? That there were two circles. We add their circumferences. We will get a third circumference. जब ऐड करते हो तो दूसरा ही circumference आएगा ना. वो वाले circumference, वो वाले सर्कल का रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है. सो एग्जैक्टली अगर आप थोड़ा सा इसको विथ फिगर करेंगे, सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. हियर वी टुक इट एज R1 R2 R3, C1 C2, एंड देन ये दोनों का टोटल होगा इसका C3. So keeping that in mind, we have just used one common formula, that is 2 pi r. यहाँ पे दोनों में circumference find out किया था, वहाँ पे हमने circumference दिया है लेकिन radius find out करना था. अब इसी को आप question 2 देखिए and tell me what is the difference. Yes, we will read it and then we will do it again. Take a look at question number 2 and then you may copy this also. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the circle. क्या फर्क है? Yes, exactly same pattern, but instead of circumference हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Area. Correct? तो जैसे कि अगर ये एग्जाम्पल लेवे, R1 दिया है, यहाँ पे हम A1 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. R2 दिया है, यहाँ पे A2 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. A1 and A2 you add, you will get A3. एंड जब आपको A3 दिया है, आपको रेडियस 3 फाइंड आउट करना इजी है. फॉर्मूला कौन सा होगा? एरिया इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर. पहले ये कॉपी कर दीजिए, फिर हम वो क्वेश्चन 2 साथ में करेंगे. We take question number 2. Just now we revised. Let's see again. Radius of two circles are given. Area we have to find out. ये दोनों area का total करके this becomes the sum area. We call it A3. और फिर उसकी radius. So let's see how we could do it. We could do it all together. If you want to do it all together, it would look like this. Correct? ये होगा pi r square. We could keep the formula there, into r is 6 square plus pi into 8 square is equal to pi into r3 square. ठीक है? अब pi is common, so we could say dividing the whole equation by pi, and therefore we end up getting 6 square plus 8 square is equal to r3 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, r3 square. That gives you therefore